एटलीस्ट दिस माइलेज 10 10 बस 1300 सीसी की गाड़ी है सर।
वही बोल रहा हूँ 10
ये बेहतर है। बस बस दिल खुश हो जाता है सर, चलाते चलाते धूम मचा देता है सर, धूम बाइक है।
वो इम्पोर्टेंट है।
चलिए सर, टेक केयर।
ऐसा होते ही खींच दे तो ठीक है।
Okay, so guys, కడుపు నిండా లంచ్ చేసేసాము ఆల్రెడీ, లంచ్ हो गया हमारा అండ్ స్టిల్ హీ ఈజ్ సో స్లిమ్. ఓ మై గాడ్, దీంట్లో హిల్ హోల్డ్ కంట్రోల్ లేదనుకుంటాను. బట్ ఎనీవే, అండ్ మిస్టర్ జాంబీ ఈజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ డూయింగ్ స్పీడో కన్సోల్ రివ్యూ ఆఫ్ R15M and Surya, our supermodel, is waiting for the photographer. But anyway, ఇప్పుడు బ్యాక్ టు ఇది ఏంటంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఇంటికి వెళ్తున్నారు. దే గోయింగ్ హోమ్ టు పిక్ అనదర్ వెహికల్ అండ్ దిల్ కమ్ హోమ్, కమ్ టు Ceramic Pro. Now I'm going to Ceramic Pro to wish Nishant because he just picked up a Busa, and I'm going to return this bike as well. नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा देर के लिए चुरा लेंगे, फ़िलहाल के लिए वापस दे देंगे. नाउ इट्स इन ड्राइव मोड, नाउ इट्स इन स्पोर्ट 1. सो लेट्स गेट गोइंग. ओके गाइस, सी यू at Ceramic Pro. So beautiful morning ride experience. You would have enjoyed the vlog. This is the continuation to that vlog where I'm headed to Ceramic Pro to wish Nishant bro on his new Busa. Now Busa has been his dream right from his childhood, so it's like he's like a kid now who is jumping with joy because his dream came true. Just as happy as he felt when he bought his Lamborghini Huracan, that was his dream as well. So that has become an extension of his personality now. People relate that name in the Lamborghini, especially the new green color peelable paint that he installed. Stunning. So let's go meet him, wish him luck. And yes, I have to deal with the punishment that he gives me because I failed to make it on time for the delivery. Got stuck here with, I'm on one extreme like near Vijayawada highway, and he's on the other extreme, Jubilee Hills. So there's no way I could have made it on time, but hopefully he understands. अगर punishment देगा तो मुर्गा बनाएगा तो मुर्गा बनना पड़ेगा. అయిపోయింది రైడ్, అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, హాయ్.
One of your subscribers.
Okay, nice meeting you. Which bike are you picking up?
I want to buy a 600cc motorcycle bike.
Okay.
So this one is.
See, if you want a good value for money versatile bike, 650 CBR 650R is a good bike.
Isn't it overpriced?
It is Honda. My ride, the R15M. advantage of having a quick shifter on board. ये लोग कितना पेट्रोल ख़त्म कर देखेंगे. So going to Kavacha show. Horn is really good on the RM5M. Huge car. I don't think he'll make it. Gaya comes. Wow, the seat, everything feels so perfect on the R15M. Big moment. It was a childhood dream, as I told you in the beginning of the vlog. So let's see how he responds after, riding someone else's bike is a different thing. Of course, his friends own the new Busa, but now when you pick one for yourself, that feeling is special. So when you're not able to reach the right RPM, might as well use the clutch. मुबारक. माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी.
पटक गए कहीं तभी.
हाँ. Big moment for me, and too humble of my brother Nishant, who's such a different and special guy in this world, who would allow someone else to take the bike out on the day of delivery. Man, this man is unbelievable. That's why, I respect him the most. Today I tried my best to come back, but got stuck because of unavoidable circumstances. We're too far away, actually. So, but still made it on time for the big moment for my brother. So, first thankful comes from Dino Bhai. 95 octane petrol is the one that is recommended. We have XP95. Let's go with the tank full. So fueled up. What a beautiful evening it is turning out to be. A dream come true for me. I mean, almost feeling emotional kind of. Off we go. System is Careful, careful, careful. It's better instead of getting choked in this horrible traffic jam. Might as well take one lap of the KBR park. Crazy, crazy, crazy feeling. Where is this guy going? Sometimes they don't even bother to, turn the indicator on. The city is lit up. The festive season is on, and Nishant brings home the festive season with his all-new beast machine. So agile, so nimble, and so user-friendly. Unbelievably, easy to handle and easy to ride. He used to ride the older Busa as well effortlessly. Shows quick shifter and using the quick shifter, so the blipper as well as the quick shifter. So he's been using the older Busa, his friends, riding his friends' Busas effortlessly. But this one is he's gonna literally play with it. He's pretty good with the bikes, just as good he is with the cars. Extremely good with the cars, in fact, because it's supercars, so much of power, the V10 and the horsepower, oodles and oodles of horsepower, close to 700. Being able to tame all that power is not easy, and he does that effortlessly. This evening stroll through KBR is turning out to be the most blessed and most memorable one for me. Night motovlog on the new Busa. What an experience, and what a feeling. There are good people in this world whom you can take pride in, whom you can trust with everything almost. I don't think it's gonna make it. Can we? Yes, we can. Finally. Oh, at least this mileage 10 बस 1300 सीसी की गाड़ी है सर.
वही बोल रहा हूँ. 10
ये बेहतर है. बस दिल खुश हो जाता है सर, चलाते चलाते धूम मचा देता है सर, धूम भाई के.
वो इम्पोर्टेंट है.
चलिए सर, टेक केयर. The shifts are so slick. And that conversation with that man was so sweet. The smile says it all. So the slick shifts make this an absolute delight. What a machine, man. Like, how would you take a blockbuster machine and make it even better? This is how you do it. I'm sure my biker brother Gagan bhai, Bhabhi ji had gifted him the Busa. I had done a vlog, you could check that out. So on his 50th birthday, and he enjoys it every moment. And this is what underscores and defines life. True love still exists. People who value people more than things still exist. Man, I'm on top of the world. I'm jumping with joy, actually. This clearly shows Nishant, though he's younger than me, he's the greater man. He could have been, seriously pissed off. He could be angry, mad at me. I would have taken every punishment he would have thrown at me. That's the friendship, man. Like, you watch each other's back, want to do almost anything and everything. And riding this bike is easier than riding my R15M, the new one. I mean, that's how well balanced this machine is. What an upgrade. Goodness gracious. What a machine. What a feeling. And the refinement just steals your heart. I mean, seals your heart with joy. That's how buttery smooth, silky smooth, refined inline 4. The handling, boy, can anything be better than this in this category? Wow. The little kid. And the expression of these kids really is priceless. There they are, sweet little kids. अच्छा लगा? अच्छा है? Thank God there's no traffic here. दिल भर गया यार आज, सही में। क्या बात कर रहा हूँ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन दिल बहुत खुश हो गया आज। बस, कैन कॉल दिस द दिल खुश व्लॉग। Perfect. Chalo. Extraordinary. Not just good. Okay. So bro left. Hi Vichu.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Chalo, enjoy.
Crazy.
Crazy bike, man.